Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. Many of the students who are watching this video, probably you're seeing me the first time. So if it's your first time, then do check out our other videos, and if you like them, then do subscribe to our channel. This is where you get the latest update about Canada study visa process and all other details regarding the admission, eligibility, requirement, tuition fee. So it's a complete package what you get. So since you have come for an SOP video, so probably you must have gone past all that stages, and you are at the time where you want to apply for your visa, so you need a sound SOP. So this video is regarding the same. So I'm going to tell you about each and everything, what to do and what not to do in your SOP, which can take you closer to your visa approval. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So SOP start kaise hoga? How you are going to write your introduction. So we are going to divide this SOP into 5 to 6 major critical points, and within those points we are going to include all kind of different information, जिससे कि वीजा ऑफिसर ये कन्विंस हो जाए कि आपका वीजा आ जाएगा एंड आपको रिजेक्शन ना आए. So basically there are two major reasons why you get the rejection. So let me explain you that, so that you can take care of those rejection reasons right from the moment when you start writing your SOP. So first is that you will not come back to India or any other country wherever you are applying from. So for that you need to give them the proper justification, like what are the benefits of doing this course, why you have chosen this country, and once you will have enough skills you will come back to your home country. So that is one thing. The second is the relevancy. If your program is not relevant or your work experience is not relevant, that is again a major hurdle in your SOP. So what you need to do is you need to give them enough reason supported by enough documentation that how this program is relevant. For example, somebody who has done computer science, they can write about all the subjects what they have studied and what the subjects they are going to study in the course in Canada and how they are relatable. Like for example, computer science, if you're going for data science, data analytics, you're going for computer engineering, cyber security, networking, all those things, even testing. So how these course, what you have done in the past and what you're going to do in the future is relevant. That's exactly how you need to relate it. So now we were talking about the introduction part. So introduction will tell the visa officer about your name, your hometown, your family background, how many family members are there, and how they motivated you to do well in your life. So this should not be more than like 5, 6, 7 lines. And then you introduce yourself to the college, like this is the college where I'm going to study and this is the program what I have chosen. So this is pretty much about the introduction. This should not be more than like 5 to 7 lines, I suppose. And now once you have written the introduction, you need to go on to why you have chosen this particular course. So now when you tell them about why you have chosen this course, this is very important because this is where all the relevancy factors will come in, the one which we were discussing earlier, कि आपने ये कोर्स में पढ़ाई की है, ये आपका work experience है, this is how this course is relatable to your future study. The next point is you need to describe all your work experience. So if you have any work experience, if you have done an internship, what were the things which you learned there, what were the challenges which you faced, and why you have chosen this particular course to overcome those challenges. This is very crucial and important. So make sure that you write good 10-15 lines, like 2 to 3 paragraphs on this. So why you have chosen this course, why you, or the kind of work you have done, your roles and responsibilities, the challenges you face, and how this course is going to help you in overcome these challenges. Now going forward, you have to describe why you have chosen this course. So in introduction you mentioned that this is what you want to study. You gave them the background about your work experience and qualification, and now you're telling them about why you want to do this course. So you have to give them all the course curriculum bifurcation, like this is what I'm going to study during this course, and these are the benefits what I'm going to get from this particular course. So this is again a very important factor what you need to write about. Now the third is why this country. So Canada के बारे में जितनी भी good things you know, you need to put it in. So why this safe country, the practical experience and exposure. The program has a co-op. So each and everything about the country, what you need to write, safety, weather. If you like cold weather, then definitely you should write. Now the next part is why. So your why this course, why this country, and then what are your future plans. So basically all your future plans, I don't know why, but it has to be for India, like your home country. So you have to tell them the kind of like what kind of skills what you're going to gather in that while you study this course. Then what all companies has these kind of a job, like post you complete this particular course, what kind of a jobs you can get in India, what companies hire for these particular skills, and what is the salary outcome what you can get. So all these things needs to be defined in your career plan. So once I complete this course, I'll come back to India, these are the companies which hire for this profile, this is the salary what I can expect. So all these things needs to be there. Now the financial part. So recently I have started observing that a lot of students are mentioning about the financials in the SOP. So basically if your financials are good, then obviously include in your SOP. But if you are only following the bare minimum SDS requirement, then I don't think it is mandatory for you to mention your finances. So this is kind of an optional that you should include your financials or not. Now, what are the don'ts? So the major don't of an SOP is never ever ask a visa officer to grant you the visa, or writing that I will be highly obliged if I get a positive response, or anything like that. This is, I have read it in almost hundreds of SOP that student write this and they get the rejection. So you cannot dictate visa officer that they should grant you the visa, or ask them even politely, because that's their job to decide while reading your documentation and your SOP itself. So they will make the decision by themselves. So you don't have to write that please grant me the visa and all those things. So please make sure that you don't do this mistake in your SOP. Also look for the grammatical errors, spelling errors. Make sure that if your IELTS score is 6 in your writing, then don't use heavy vocabulary in your SOP. Otherwise it will definitely look like that you have copied or asked somebody else to write it. So this is something what needs to be taken care of. The flow of the SOP should be natural. It should not be artificial. It should be easy to read so that visa officer is able to understand it. Also highlight each and every main point, the main turning point of your life till now, or the things what you are going to do and study and learn in Canada. So these are the things what you need to take care of in your SOP. And if you need any help for writing the SOP or reviewing the one which you have already written, then you can send your SOP on the email address mentioned below or the WhatsApp number, and I will be able to give you my suggestion on it. We also have some professional SOP writers whom you can consult, and we can help you out with that as well. So looking forward to speaking to you, and till then, if you have liked this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to VAC, and watch our future videos if you have liked it. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.